Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by again today. Guys, I'll be showing you how to make long life and prosperity juice. And for this, I'll be using this type of beetroot. The picture will pop up at the left hand side above, but you can use any other type of beetroot like this one. Another thing I will be using is ginger. I will also be using some carrots and some green apple. I've already washed all these things with salt and vinegar, so they are all clean. I will just go on and cut it so that it will fit in the mouth of my juicer. Meanwhile, you can use your blender to blend this, but if you're using your blender to blend it, you have to add in a little bit of water to blend it, and after you sieve it with your cloth. Now I'm juicing it one after the other. So I'm just adding it one by one. Anyone I pick, I add. I don't concentrate on anyone because I will still mix everything together. Because of the type of beetroot I'm using, it will not be turning into pink or into violet color. But if you are using the other type of beetroot, you might get a pinkish color or us blood juice color. So I will go on and finish up with the blending. Meanwhile, the chaff, I will not be throwing it away. I'll be using it to do fufu. Then I will be adding one lemon, half a lemon I mean, or half a lime. I will roll it so that I will get more juice. Then I will press out the juice from it, just like so. And after that, this is what I got from half of a lime. Then I will be pouring it into the juice, and I will mix it to make sure that everything is mixed properly. I will pour it into my glass jar, which is where I will be storing it because I will be putting it in the fridge to chill. I will allow it to cool down inside the fridge for about 5 to 6 hours, and after that it is ready to be served. This can be stored in your fridge for up to a week without the taste changing. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.